Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to claim your C1 token. So previously we had to learn how to KYC and how to connect our MetaMask to our Cardano account so that we can receive airdrops and our C1 tokens is going to be arriving. So right now they have just released the airdrop claim, and now we can claim our C1 tokens before January 15. So let's do it. So just log into your Cardano account, and after you're logged in, and it will bring you to the homepage and it will look like this. You'll see this airdrop claim has arrived. Claim your C1 token before January 15. And it says claim token. Now I want you to press claim token. So let's press that. So over here it just says details about how much tokens we are able to acquire in the details. So it says you're qualified for the C1 token airdrop. View your potential C1 token holding below and start the claim process. So our loyalty are currently right now we don't have a C1 rewards yet. Right now we have 30,395.5 loyalty points, which can be converted to C1 tokens. And in C1 tokens, that is 7,652.32 C1 tokens. So if you guys have been claiming your loyalty points back then, you guys are gonna be able to receive C1 tokens as a reward. So now let's start the claim process, claim our C1 tokens, and now it brings us to this page and it talks about what C1 token is. So the C1 token is a revolutionary digital utility network exclusively available to the C1 community. First in the industry, the C1 token will channel earnings from all C1 revenue streams in order to bolster its value. The C1 token will act as a made of exchange for all rewards transactions and as added revenue incentives for sales commissions, as well as being used for third-party apps and assets. In time, it will have self-regulating autonomy over the incentives program, shifting governance to the C1 network. Click on next. After you read that, click on next, and now it brings you to this page. So now it's going to talk about how it is going to be distributed. So over here under the claim, it said how is it distributed. 2/3 of the C1 token will be divided between a retroactive airdrop for users and the network treasury managed by token holders. Every C1 member who's engaged with the network qualifies for the airdrop. So every Crowd1 member who engaged with the network qualifies for the airdrop. Past activities count with a limit of 8 years for future inclusions. Eligible users can boost their allocations up to 10,000 during the token generation stages. So over here is a circle and it represents how the C1 tokens is going to be distributed. So now let's click on next. And over here, after we click on next, it brings you to this page. Now it says your token base. This is the number of C1 tokens you qualify for, calculated using the amount of C1 rewards and loyalty points you hold. So our token base value is 956.54, and our loyalty points right now is 30,395.5. And right now, we're able to claim, over here right now, we're over to claim 3,826.16 C1 tokens. One of the reasons for that is that because we've claimed our loyalty points in the past, and also because we have an air element. So over here, if you guys look, we have the potential of acquiring 7,652.32 C1 tokens, but that's only if you have a fire element. Right now, this account only has an air element, so it can only claim 3,826.16 C1 tokens. But if this account upgrades to fire, which is a higher element than air, it has a potential of acquiring 7,652.32 C1 tokens. So there. So right now, I just want to claim what I have currently. So I'm going to claim this. Yes, I want to claim it. Confirm. Okay, claim confirm. Your claim is being processed and will reflect on the summary page shortly. Okay, close. Okay, there we go. So that's it, guys. We have claimed our C1 tokens. And that's it for this video. And also, if you go back to the homepage and you don't see your C1 token yet, that's okay, because it might take a while for your C1 token to appear and for it to register on your account. But that's how you claim it overall. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you.